Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. Today we just started with our Three Little Pigs. So the only thing you missed was my rendition reading of the Three Little Pigs. So make sure if you missed it today that you are caught up. The version we read is different. So remember, we're going to classwork. And then week 3, Three Little Pigs graphic novel. And here we are. We read the entire thing. Well, mostly I read the entire thing. And went from there. So we talked about the one thing we noticed right off the bat is right here. We were given cast of characters. So if we look, we have the big bad wolf with his shadow here. We have the first little pig, the second little pig, and the third little pig. In our first line, long, long ago in the edge of the village lived a mother pig and her 3 sons. So this gives us our exposition. Remember, that's the first part of our plot diagram. So we have setting that we are at the edge of a village, or in a village somewhere. And so we went through our story, and it was really fun, a little different than our normal Three Little Pigs. So make sure you have read that. Don't forget that we also have the Membeam and reading in your journal, page 12, should be done daily almost. Then we have the Illuminate checkpoint, which y'all that have done it are doing really well. So keep that up. And the one-man band theme and dialogue. Those are the 5 things you need to do on your own. The Three Little Pigs assignments we will do in class together tomorrow, 4 points. So it will not be solo work. We're doing it together to give you guys the points to get you started. So help time again is 1:30 to 2:30. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.